Excel class.
Hello there. Today I discuss about PCB design course. Here my name is Kaushik Das. So here we discuss about this course. Okay, first why we take this course. Okay, so for electrical and electronics related, which these subjects interesting. Okay, so they can take this course. Okay, this is the very useful, and another engineering students, okay, who are in electrical or electronics related subjects, so they are take this course. Okay, for this course you are very much practice about your circuit design and others component which you are required for your circuit. Okay, so by this course you are knowing about your electronics related components, which are these functions and where they are used. Okay, and in which circuit part these components are used. Okay, and why they are used. Okay, and operating function of this circuit or these components. Okay, so these are the we include in your PCB design course, and how to make your PCB we also, and I also okay, show you. Okay, so here we start about this PCB design. Okay, first we discuss about this PCB, means PCB's definitions and PCB related much how many types. Okay, thickness of copper in PCB. Okay, so in different applications in PCB. Okay, so copper thickness are varying. Okay, so we discuss about this. Okay, third one is types of this PCB. Okay, how many types. Okay, and different types of PCB are used today's. Another one is manual printing. Okay, how to use your manual printing and how to make your PCB. Okay, and we discuss about our simulating software. By this software you make your PCB. Okay, EOL software we discuss about. So first discuss the what is a PCB. Okay, printed circuit board. Okay, printed circuit board first are the boards that are used as the base in most electronic, both as an physical support brace and as the wiring area for the surface mounted and socketed components. Okay. PCBs are mostly commonly made out of fiberglass, composite epoxy, or another composite materials. Okay. So here this is the basically this PCB, what the PCB mean. Okay. So in most PCB for this simple electronics are simple and composed of only a single layer. Okay. So here the layer are vary. Okay, single layer, double layer, multi-layer, okay, are used in PCB. More sophisticated hardware such as computer graphics cards or motherboard can have the multi-layers, sometimes up to this. Okay, so these are used for this. Okay, although PCB are most often associated with computers, they can be found in many of other electronics devices, okay, such as TV, radios, digital cameras, and cell phones. In addition to their use in consumer electronics and computer, different types of PCBs are used in a variety of other fields, including medical devices, industrial machineries, lightings, automotive and aerospace industrials. Okay, so in these applications we are used vastly, okay, in this PCB. So this is the mainly why you use PCB, okay, and why this is the important. Okay. So here in my first point, medical devices. Here medical devices are right in today's medical are technically very growth in technical market. So here in medical applications the electronic devices are used. Okay. So electronic products are now denser and consume less power than previous generation, making it possible to test new and exciting medical technology. Okay. So here in all applications day to day, the technical electronics things are day to day is growing. Okay. So in medical applications, here after that come this PCB devices or electronic devices. After this coming in medical related, so all are in medical, all are helpful okay, and easily done in medical applications. Okay, by this electronic devices. Okay, so like these operations and MRI scan and other test of a human body. Okay, right now I see an article. So here your blood test, okay, and your hemoglobin test by these electronic devices. Okay, they are done, but they are in this test. The cost of this medical test, okay, so these are less, okay, and time is less time required for this test, okay, and cost and price of this test are less, okay, respect to previous test. Okay, so thank you for this course, this session. We discuss our next in my next session. Thank you.